Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I built on that by serving as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two top-tier variable speed air conditioners to help you figure out which one belongs at your home, the AirEase A7AC22V and the KeepRite C5A1V. Starting with cabinet construction, the AirEase A7AC22V uses louvered coil panels surrounding the unit and includes a heavy-duty compressor sound blanket inside. That louvered cabinet gives direct physical shielding to the aluminum fins against hail, yard debris, and stray lawnmower rocks. On the KeepRite C5A1V side, it does not use louvered coil panels and relies instead on a wire guard-style casing. The KeepRite unit does include a compressor sound blanket to dampen operational noise. Looking at performance ratings, the AirEase A7AC22V tops out at 22.0 SEER and operates at a noise level of 58 decibels. The KeepRite C5A1V hits 21.0 SEER and comes in slightly quieter at 55 decibels. Both of these numbers represent premium efficiency and extremely quiet outdoor sound profiles for home cooling. Under the top hood, both systems feature top-of-the-line inverter drive setups. Both run fully variable speed compressors paired with variable speed outdoor condenser fans. Rather than cycling on and off or stepping between fixed speeds, these variable speed components continuously adjust output in precise increments to match your home cooling load. That maintains consistent indoor temperatures and humidity control. Both brands are backed by established manufacturing parent companies and assembled in the USA. AirEase is manufactured under Lennox International's Allied Air division. KeepRite is manufactured by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier Global Corporation. For real-world pricing, fully installed costs for the AirEase A7AC22V generally run between $5,500 and $9,500 depending on tonnage, regional labor rates, and installation scope. The KeepRite C5A1V typically comes in right around $5,000 to $9,000 installed for a typical residential replacement. Looking at warranty protection, both units carry identical coverage from their factories. Both come with a 10-year overall parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If the compressor fails within those first 10 years, the manufacturer replaces the entire outdoor unit rather than just sending a replacement compressor. If I have to choose one to put outside my own home, I recommend the AirEase A7AC22V. While KeepRite is slightly quieter by 3 decibels, AirEase gives you full louvered coil panels to protect those delicate outdoor coils along with a slightly higher 22.0 SEER rating. That extra cabinet protection makes a real difference over a 15 to 20-year lifespan.